Alright, welcome again. This is Iboga Ghana here with Bismarck Dazi. And today I'm going to show you how we do our planting on the field. The last time, if you were consistent watching with what we upload here on this channel, it was more of our nursery bank, how we maintain it, and our future progress. Like I said, our target has always been the 1:10 ratio. That's after digging one Iboga tree, we make sure we replant 10 of the seedlings. Yes, and these seedlings are 8 months old and we transplant them directly to the field. So today I'll show you around how our honorable workers are doing about it, from transporting it from our nursery bank straight to the field. Then we start the planting. So you can see that first what we do is that after unloading it to the tricycle, the next thing is we move to where we are going to do the replanting, and we start to convey it to the farm with the help of the wheelbarrow. That's what you can see around, with our workers sending the seedlings to the field to do the planting. So what we basically do is that first, aside everything, we have some of the workers doing the digging of the holes so that it will make it easier, because this section of people are conveying and bringing, the other sets are making holes, the other sets are putting the the seedlings into the holes. Then the next step will be just removing the rubber and putting it directly into the soil. So we'll have a look at what we are doing at our farms. Alright, so you can see around how beautiful our planted Iboga are looking on the field. These plants are around 4 years and 3 years. Yes, they are looking wonderful. Look at how the height has grown and all that. We are hoping to keep this for the next 10 years and over. So today I'll grant you the pleasure to watch around our beautiful farms for you to see what we have. And that we have a very sustainable backing when it comes to our product delivery, with regards to our Iboga product, because we have the items, because we have it in our farms, and we can offer it to the market as well, because we have a very secured farms that can help us cope with our supply and the demand needs. Yes, so have a wonderful look about our farms and all that. And looking at this tree, what makes it so amazing is that after it's growing to a certain level, we try to maintain them so that they can get enough space and opportunity to grow to higher heights. So looking at the surrounding, we did some pruning to help the plant get some direct sunlight so that it will help them in their photosynthesis activity. Yes, that's photosynthesis activity. So yes, that is all that we have at the farms at our Honjos. So today we have been able to take you through how we do our transporting of the seedlings, how we carry it to the field, and how we do our planting. Thanks very much for watching this space, and we'll be glad to give you more updates in the next time. Have a wonderful day and bye bye.